I'm here with my girlfriend, Roncal, my pal, Roncal. Creator of many fabulous beauty products of her own. She has her own fabulous line, but also makeup artist to the stars.
All right, let's go to Suzanne. Come on over.
Hi, Suzanne. Right.
Suzanne.
Suzanne. So,
yes.
Suzanne, what's the plan for Suzanne?
Well,
Suzanne, what's your issue?
I'm sick and tired of looking tired.
You're sick and tired of looking tired.
Thank you.
By the way, it is the rudest thing in the world to say to your friends or a total stranger, "How are you? You look tired." Rude. Always rude.
Exactly.
Never, ever
and
say
everybody
that.
does it. So
Right.
let's stop, okay?
Yes.
And if people are saying it to you and you don't feel tired, right? You don't feel tired. You just want to fake a good night's sleep. So this is how you fake a good night's sleep. You're gonna.
I don't think you look tired at all, by the way.
Well, she has one eye done.
She has one eye done.
There you go. So here's the trick. This side looks wide awake. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take two eyeliners, a darker and a lighter. And the great thing about this tip is it works on everybody, no matter your age, your skin tone, your skin color.
Cool.
As long as you are using, close for me, Angel, you're gonna use the black on the top or the dark. Like today, I did black on the top and gray on the bottom, but for beautiful Suzanne, we're gonna do black on the top, and we're gonna do brown on the bottom. So that's your tip, right? So there you go. There's
So
your...
right along the lash line,
Yep,
the darker goes always on top?
Always on top.
Darker always on top.
And then the bottom, look up for me, Angel. Here we go. We're gonna take that and put that right on the bottom. So what you're doing, Rachie, is you're getting that definition, but you're not getting that like 2 holes in a bed sheet,
I
super
gotcha,
black.
right.
You know what I'm saying?
It
wow.
doesn't look like somebody punched you.
Exactly.
Oh, look at you.
Isn't that great? Okay, and then one more. To blow your mind, you're gonna take a mascara, and no matter mascara you use, what you wanna do is instead of putting mascara on, always going out, which is gonna make your eye look tired. This is my little tip. Look down for me, Angel. You're gonna take it and you're gonna cheat it in towards the bridge of the nose.
No kidding.
Yes, exactly. And what that's gonna do, Rachel, is it's gonna make your lashes stand up like a little beautiful anti-aging soldier. Bam!
Look at that!
And make your eyes
That's
look more wide
crazy.
awake. Yes. Isn't that fun?
Allie, you are just showing off.
I
showing
mean,
off.